Good morning, everyone. PsychoMike-O.
Good morning, everyone. This is PsychoMike-O.
Hi, guys. I'm so nervous right now. Hello, everyone. This is PsychoMike-O, and today I'm going to show you a cool magic trick that someone showed me a long time ago that I thought was really cool. Hopefully, I do the trick right so everyone gets to see it. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show it to you. So what we have here is a basic deck of cards. I'm going to open up this box now and show you what's inside. There's nothing magic about these cards. It's just an ordinary deck. So let's get all the cards out, just so you can see. These are all random cards. As you can see. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and shuffle this deck of cards up for you. So you don't think there's any cheating, any staging of the cards. A couple more times, just for good measure. Cut the deck a couple times. All right. So now, I'm going to explain the trick as I do it. And I'm going to use my lovely assistant, Michelle. If she wants to come on over here for a second. She's not going to do anything at this moment, but in a few seconds I'm going to need her. So I'm going to go ahead and do the trick. Okay, nothing in my hands, just a regular deck of cards. Just shuffle them a couple more times, just so you don't think I did anything while you weren't watching. Okay, so starting with the first card, I'm going to flip the card over. Okay, it's a 5, okay? So using the base card, which is a 5, I'm going to start flipping cards over on top of that 5 up to 10. So the only thing that really matters is that the face card. Every card I flip over after that only counts as 1, no matter what it shows, it only counts as 1. Starting at 5, we're going to make piles of 10. Okay, so the first one's a 5. So even though that's an ace, it doesn't matter, it just counts as 1, 5. So that'll be 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's an automatic 10. 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10. That's a 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that doesn't make a pile of 10, so I got to remove that because it's only 5. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to take out all the single digit 10s because we don't need those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can't have just a pile of 1, so if it's a 10, we've got to take it out. And what that does is it leaves the other piles there, all added up to 10. So I'm going to use my assistant here, who is going to randomly pick 3 piles to turn over. It doesn't really matter because every time you do this trick, the outcome is different. So I'm going to have her reach over here now and turn over 3 piles of her choosing. It doesn't matter. Go ahead and do so.
Okay. I will turn this one over, this one over, and this one.
So Michelle has randomly picked 3 piles to turn over. So she chose these 3 right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the ones that she didn't choose. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Hold on a second here, I got them upside down there. So these are the ones that she didn't choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move her piles just like that. Okay? And I'm left with the remainder of the deck. Okay, so just so you don't think there was any like magic involved in the way I picked them up, I'm gonna go ahead and shuffle them. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut the deck a little bit here. Michelle, you want to cut it? Go ahead.
Here, I'll shuffle it too.
Go ahead. Yep. Are you satisfied with this shuffle?
Yes.
She is. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask you to count with me silently, Michelle, and you count the cards with me, and then I'm going to, at the end, I'm going to randomly pick a number in my head, and that number is going to add up to the top card in every pile. Hopefully that works, so let's see if it works. Are you ready to count?
Yes.
You're going to count out loud so they can hear you, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
So Michelle came up with the number 31, okay? So I am going to pick a number that I think that the top card on every pile is going to add up to. So this is where the magic happens. And no matter how many times you do this, that number will be different each and every time. So I'm going to try to guess the top 3 cards. And the number I come up with is going to be, let me see. She had 31, so let's do a random number 12. Let's do random number 12. I'm going to try to guess if those top 3 cards add up to 12. Are you ready? Michelle, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. First card I flip over on the top, it's a 4. The second card I turn over in this pile is a 2. So that's 4 plus 2 equals 6, right? So in order for me to get this trick correct, that has to be a 6. Or my prediction didn't work. Do you think it's going to be a 6?
I don't know.
Do you think it's going to be a 6? Let's find out. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Bingo! 12. All right, everyone, that was my magic trick. So if you liked my trick today and you want to see more of them, please do me a favor and like my Facebook page. Please follow and share my content. And if you would do me one other favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel at The Real PsychoMike-O, that would be awesome. I thank you all in advance for your support, and there'll be more content to come. Have a good day.